Next, let's learn how to copy and cut data using the VI editor. If you want to copy data, then the command YY is used at the beginning of the data. You can also use a numerical value before the command YY to indicate the number of lines of data to be copied. P command is used to paste the copied data in the required destination. To cut-paste data, the same process is followed. The only difference is that, instead of YY, DD is used to cut the data. In this demo, we will learn how to copy and cut-paste data in VIM editor. You can see that there are 3 lines of data on screen. By using the command :set NU in the command mode, you can assign the line numbers to the data. You can refer to any standard website to learn more commands, as all cannot be covered in this course. Set NU stands for set numbers. Suppose you want to copy the first 2 lines. Press escape to enter into the command mode. Then keep the cursor at the beginning of the first line and enter 2YY. 2 indicates 2 lines and YY is to copy. Now, bring down the cursor and enter P to paste the copied lines. The line number is also automatically set to the new copied line data. You can type P any number of times to copy the data because in the backend it is already stored in the memory. Now, if you want to cut the data from line 3 to line 4, enter into the command mode using escape. Keep the cursor at the beginning of the 3rd line and enter 2DD. You can see that the 2 lines are not visible because they are cut and stored in the backend memory. Now, move your cursor down and press P to paste the cut data. You can see that the line numbers are accordingly updated. In copy and paste operation, the original lines don't get deleted, whereas in cut and paste operation, the original lines get deleted. Whenever you edit the file, it is a good practice to save the file. Therefore, press escape, shift+:, and W. The file is saved. To quit the file, press escape, shift+:Q. This is how you copy, cut, and paste data in the VIM editor.